Oh, yeah, you are darn toothly one, Mr. Conductor. You're just lucky we didn't shoot every last one of your pretty little passengers. I guess we're just too tender-hearted, that's all.
Now, wait just a second there, Ace. You said we couldn't shoot everybody.
What did you just call me?
Ace, I heard you said you were some poor big timber in this network. One kid was a put our code name.
It's in my arm fat.
Well, listen, if you didn't have arm fat, I wouldn't have had a pinch.
You just call me Lunkhead.
Well, Lunkhead ain't your real name. That's just what Granny used to call you.
Well, aren't you smarty pants?
Get over here. Come on. We got stuff to do. All right, now, you Lunkhead, I want you to take this rope and make your... Would you quit giving me lip and just do what I'm telling you to do?
Fine.
Take this rope and make yourself useful.
Will do.
I'm going to figure out where this gold is at, okay? Okay. Sebastian?
Yes, sir?
Let's just clap in support of his little bit. What do you think you're doing?
Oh, I'm working on my cardio.
Working on your cardio. You're supposed to tie them up with a rope.
Why didn't you say so?
I thought you knew better.
Well, you should know better than the thing
Yeah,
about
maybe
it.
I'm the one that's supposed to be going to do. Go tie them up. You don't have to whisper, just be mean.
Run around the road, Dave! Fucking ball, Dave!
Wow.
Is that mean enough?
Yeah, that was actually pretty mean. That was some mighty fine singing. You should probably just go join the King Girls in that little saloon show that they did. That's people. You cut that out. I'm going to wake up if you don't cut that out. Now listen. Let's go inside. Let's see where the gold is at. Okay, now you get in there. Now you go. Get in there, you goober. Here we go.
Well, this is fun.
What in the what's going on out here?
Gotta work on
Who
my
are you
combo.
fellas?
I'm Deputy Virgil.
Okay.
Here's Jim.
And it's Stupid Bugs here. What are y'all doing all tied up right now?
Bad guys. Guys up.
My guys tied you up and just where did they go?
Inside your fort right there.
And this one right here?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't get the go.
Hey, can we get a hand? They're in time. Well, who would have thought? Right. Say, how can 4 Indians make so much racket?
It's an Indian thing, you wouldn't understand.
Hey, Sheriff, I took a little bit of Indian in college here. We, want to thank you, for saving us, I'm an Indian, not an idiot. He said he's an Indian, not an idiot. He is an Indian. You're an idiot. All right. What are the chances of y'all coming out when you did?
Pretty good. The chief knew you were bringing the gold, so he sent us out to meet you. Not that we don't trust you, but we don't trust you.
Can't send a blanket. Well, how do you reckon we're going to protect the gold and bring the bad guys out? Blue Feather, Running Bear, and Steve are going to go on inside the fort. Okay. Get the bad guys, send them out here, crush them. All right, sounds good. 1, 2, 3, break! Woo! Go take it
again.
Tabasco,
Take this pig.
have you seen that gold anywhere?
I've been right behind you the whole time. I have not seen it anywhere.
Well, listen, we were supposed to split up and look for it. I was wondering why you following me around. Now, listen, do you think the wallmen was fibbing to us about that gold being in the fort?
Don't know.
Well, hear that.
Why don't you ask them?
Whoa. I thought we tied you up.
Well, you did.
Well, yeah, and just how did you get loose?
We got free. By
You got
Indians.
free. And just how did you get free? Indians. You expect me to believe there are Indians around here? What? Oh, goodness. Where'd they go?
Whoa, wait! Look over there!
I'm free. All right, nothing can stop me now. I'm making a run
Come here, boy.
No.
Yo!
It's Maverick. Hello.
Your granny's gonna tan your hides when she figures
No,
out.
whoa. Nobody said anything about telling Granny. She's gonna be really upset, make us do our homework, watch behind her ears, eat vegetables. I don't like it.
Hey, it don't matter none because our partners Cayenne and Picante gonna be along any minute there.
That's in your dreams, dirtbag.
Mr. Sheriff, why don't you take these two nincompoops back to town and lock them up?
Yeah, we'll do there, Trooper Boggs, but what about the rest of their so-called gang?
Oh, don't you worry. We'll take care of the rest of the flaming hot sauce bandits.
See? I told you it was gonna catch on.
Oh,
Everybody's
man.
doing it.
Listen, they're making fun of us is what they're doing, you want kid.
Imitation is a serious form of flattery.